Hello, my name is August. I'm campaign marketer at Cognism and I'm going to be sharing my top 5 tips on Google Ads. So tip number 1, align your message across a search term, your ad and your landing page. So when it comes to Google Ads, you have to remember that your goal is not only to get a click, but actually to get a conversion. So you have to align your messaging across the buyer's journey. That's why if a person, for example, is looking for an app development service and types in a search term app development, your ad should ideally read app development, and then your landing page should talk about your app development services. Even though you may offer other related services, you should not include everything you do on that same landing page and your ad. And that just gives you a way better quality scores, way cheaper clicks, and much better conversion rate. Tip number 2 is using single keyword ad groups. This tip makes your Google Ads account so much easier to manage, and using the example from the previous tip of app development, in this case your ad group would just include keywords app development, and that's it. It would not include any of the other services you may or may not offer. With this tip, once you only have one keyword in your ad group, it makes your ad targeting way easier and your landing page experience much better, because your message just stays consistent across buyer's journey. So make sure you utilize single keyword ad groups. Tip number 3, make sure you use negative keywords. So what negative keywords are is the keywords that you would add into your ad groups to make sure that search terms that are not relevant to you would not trigger your ads. So for example, using that same app development example we used before, if a person, for example, is looking for an app development job, you would not want to bid on this keyword and show your ad and basically spend money for a person that's looking for a job and not a service you offer. That's why you would add job as a negative keyword. Another example would be using free. If the service you're offering is not free, then you would ideally not want to bid on search terms that would be looking for services, for free services or free information. So you have to make sure that you include a list of negative keywords and you only bid on search terms that would actually be of value to your business. So tip number 4 is you should consider bidding on your competitors' brand names. So not only does this one give you a really qualified audience that is already in the market for the service you offer because they're searching for your competitor's brand name, but these keywords are usually way less competitive, so you're getting cheaper clicks. And if you're a smaller company and you're bidding on a keyword of your more major competitor, then it could also give you brand awareness, because people that are looking for a company that's bigger than you but in your market, they basically see your brand name and that just gives you free brand awareness. So these 3 things, cheaper traffic, more quality traffic, and brand awareness, is why you should consider bidding on your competitors' brand names. Tip number 5 is that you should consider bidding on your own brand name. So this just ensures that you will not be losing traffic to your competitors that might be bidding on your brand name and nicking traffic that is looking for your brand name, but it also allows you to control your messaging and lead people to the landing pages you actually want them to land on. And it's actually a steal because you are bidding on your own brand names. That's why you're getting really good quality scores, and usually clicks are way cheaper. So that's how you can get additional leads and additional really quality traffic to your website. And a bonus tip is test everything. Since every business is different, there's really no universal advice when it comes to advertising, and Google Ads is no different. So my advice would be just test everything on a small scale, see what works, and then apply what actually works to your business, and then build your strategy from there. But don't forget, just test, test, test. And those are my top 5 tips for Google Ads. So just to summarize, make sure that you align your messaging across your search term, your ad, and your landing page. Make sure that you use single keyword ad groups, utilize negative keywords, bid on your competitors' brand names, and bid on your own brand name. Thank you for watching.